Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, I'll walk you through setting up the Product Zooming Widget, giving your customers a closer look at every product image right on your store. All right, let's dive in. Accessing the widget. To access the Product Zooming Widget, open your customized Debutify theme. Go to Collection. Then select Product List. Choose Product. To enable or disable it, go to Theme Settings, Enterprise Widgets. After enabling the setting, go to Product Zooming Settings. Here you can customize all settings. Product Zooming. Here you can see two main settings. Open Lightbox. Clicking on the product image opens a larger pop-up Lithbrader view, allowing customers to see the product in full image. Click and Hover. Allows customers to zoom in on product images either by clicking or hovering over them, providing a smooth and detailed viewing experience for better product inspection. And that's it. You've successfully set up the Product Zooming Widget, enhancing your store's visuals and giving customers a more interactive, detailed shopping experience. Thanks for watching and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.